Sabon lang ba talaga ang kulang? Bakit hindi nawawala yung acne ko? So guys, acne is not caused by dirt alone. So according to the guidelines and studies of the American Academy of Dermatology, acne is a chronic inflammatory skin condition na merong excess oil, clogged pores, microorganism, and inflammation sa ilalim ng ating balat. Hormones is also a contributing factor and the soap cannot regulate the hormones. And hindi rin kaya ng soap na ayusin yung hypersensitive condition ng ating oil glands. So if may mga cleanser or soaps tayo na may active ingredients, kagaya ng potassium acetyl diglycinate, maaari itong makatulong by number one, addressing the clogged pores dahil meron itong mild exfoliating effects. And number two, by addressing excess oiliness because of the active ingredient. But yung mga other conditions kagaya ng hyperkeratosis, hypersensitivity of the sebaceous glands, lalo na if moderate to severe hormonal acne or acne vulgaris ang meron kayo, nangangailangan ito ng skincare and sometimes oral medications. Alright guys, if may mga tanong kayo about acne, you can comment below or you can message me for more skin tips from a board certified dermatologist. Follow me in Basta Acne DMD. Bye-bye!